8th of May this year, there was a letter presented to me from Ward 3 in the South Northeast, suspending Barrister Julius Abure. After much consideration, I invited and called for a meeting in my local government in South Northeast, and with the executive of the South Northeast local government deliberate over the issue, and we discovered there are some misfortune, there are some good. Because of the way the letter has come to us of suspension from Wike, we now write to the state for ratification.
The State Executive Council is extremely reluctant to ordinarily adopt this kind of situation. But I must tell you that tonight we are very constrained and have no options whatsoever at our disposal to refuse this presentation. This is more so when it is indeed coming from the very ward where Barrister Julius Abure originates. We therefore find no iota of evidence that has the capacity to prohibit us from agreeing to ratify this suspension. And on behalf of the State Executive Committee, we have this suspension.